They clicked on this video wanting to know how much money do you make from being monetized a full year on YouTube. This was my first year full monetized, and I made, I'll tell you that in a minute. Welcome to Scrapyard Choppers, I'm Ernie Danger, and this is my YouTube channel about my life and its craziness with cars. Let's talk about how many views I did before I tell you how much money I made. I did 3.7 million views in just this past year of YouTube. A lot of that's for shorts. Shorts are new, YouTube really pushed shorts. I made some pretty decent shorts. I had one that did 2 million views, that ASMR Bentley versus race car video. A lot of people, I kind of jumped on that train, a lot of people were doing it. I really liked my video, I thought it turned out great. 2.1 million views later, I'm sure those people liked it too. Now, in the lifetime of my channel, I've done 4.1 million views. So just this past year, I blew how much I've done in the lifetime away. Like, it's something else. Shorts are definitely a side thing on my channel. It's definitely about the long form content. Like, you know, I just bought this race car. I'll show you around it a little bit while I tell you some more stats. Yeah, you expect to see a motor, you get just prime danger here. Now, how many hours does 3.7 million views equate to in watch time? 33,000 hours. That's a lot of hours of people watching my face. Over the lifetime of the YouTube channel, I have 44,000 watch hours. Watch hours is really where you make your money on YouTube when it comes to YouTube paying you. It's getting people to stick around that matters. People stuck around for my videos this year. Really appreciate that. Now, I will have to say, the long form videos are down on views right now. Starting to come back up a little bit. Things are getting better. My thumbnails are getting better. My titles are getting better. And that's mostly because I hired VidIQ to help me get better as a YouTuber, basically. They're helping a tremendous amount. If you never checked out VidIQ, highly suggest looking into them if you're starting a YouTube channel. Great resource to help you out. And I mean, you know, maybe you make enough money to buy yourself one of these things. Yeah, that's a broken block. Anyhow. So now's the moment you've been waiting for. How much money have I actually made off YouTube so far in this past year? Now, my number's going to vary from your number. If you're looking at this because you got another YouTube channel, you're wondering how much it's going to do. Now, I got monetized because I had a video go kind of viral, made over 100,000 views. So a lot of my money was actually made from that video itself versus the rest of my content, which was pretty low, unfortunately, which is what I'm working on building up right now. I really want my content to grow. More or less, I want my audience to grow. I want to build a community around what I do, because I like entertaining people and showing you how to work on pieces of crap like this along the way. So how much I made was $577. Yup, that's it. After my first year of being monetized. That's not even enough to buy this car that I'm in. It's actually enough to buy the parts car, which I'll be showing you soon. Over a lifetime of my YouTube channel, I've made $788. It's not bad. I'm not complaining. Please, don't take this as complaining. I've been 2 years into this and I'm already monetized. That's better than a lot of people, actually. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a big amount of money I made off YouTube, but I've made money other ways, like our sweet merch we got right here. Not much, because really I just bought all this equipment to make this merch because I want to do everything myself. You gotta have control over your image and your logo and your stuff like that, and how I feel is the best way to do that is do everything in-house. Not that you need to or anything, there's lots of websites that help you if you're interested in doing YouTube stuff. I just want to let you know, I haven't made much money off my merch yet because I don't have a website. To buy merch from me, you gotta hit my email down below. Wink, wink. You know, down below where you hit the email. But yeah, anyways, merch and brand deals are where you make money off YouTube. Sure, you make, when you get up to higher views, you make good money, but just having good merch and good brand deals, you don't even have to have a ton of subscribers to make money, which is what I'm working on for 2024. I gotta do a little bit better with the website that I'm going to create. That'll really help in getting some brand deals going. So maybe I'll make $1,000 instead of $500. Now, the numbers that I told you are going to be completely different for your YouTube channel. Obviously, I'm unique. Not everybody's going to make $500 in their first year being monetized. You're probably going to make way more, which I hope you do. Go out and prove that you can do better than me. I honestly wish I had more time to pump into this channel, and I'm gonna work on that here shortly. So hopefully I can double everything for this next year. I'm gonna hire some help for my other jobs, detailing cars and doing the t-shirt stuff. That way I can focus on the YouTube channel. I want to be a full-time YouTuber. Gonna work very hard at doing that this next year. It'd be my life goal, basically, to retire off YouTube. One day I'll be Cletus McFarlane. No, I'll be Ronnie Danger. So, also, in case you're wondering what I spent that money on, oh, $500 for this gem. Lots of good parts there. So, we'll be working on both Chevettes in the future. Hopefully next 2-3 videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.